Russian President Vladimir Putin, speaking in Syeverodvinsk during a high-level military-industrial meeting, reaffirmed the Kremlin's commitment to expanding its fleet of nuclear-armed submarines. According to a July 25, 2025 report by the Moscow Times, Putin described the buildup as essential for preserving national sovereignty and exerting influence on the global stage amid rising geopolitical friction. The centerpiece of this expansion is the Borei-A class, a new generation of ballistic missile submarines, SSBNs, designed to patrol undetected and strike with overwhelming nuclear force if needed. Equipped with advanced stealth technology and armed with Bulava intercontinental ballistic missiles, these submarines represent the spearhead of Russia's modern sea-based nuclear arsenal. Putin stated that since 2019, the Russian Navy has taken delivery of 5 Borei-A class submarines and 4 Yasen-M attack subs, both built for different strategic missions but equally vital to Russia's naval posture. Looking forward, 4 more Borei-A class submarines are expected to join the fleet, with 2 currently under construction at the Sevmash shipyard, Russia's largest facility for submarine production, located in Syeverodvinsk. With a submerged displacement nearing 24,000 tons and a length of about 170 meters, the Borei-A, Project 955A submarine is a technological leap from earlier models. Its propulsion relies on a quiet pressurized water nuclear reactor and a modern pumpjet system, ensuring near-silent operation. Further hydrodynamic refinements, improved propellers, and advanced acoustic dampening make it one of the hardest submarines to detect in the world today. Each vessel carries 16 vertical launch tubes capable of firing the RSM-56 Bulava missile, a 3-stage, solid-fuel SLBM with a range of up to 9,000 kilometers and the ability to deliver multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, MIRVs. The platform also includes 6 torpedo tubes and anti-ship missile capabilities, giving it a respectable conventional self-defense suite. Integrated with cutting-edge combat systems and GLONASS-based navigation, the Borei-A can operate independently and precisely under the ocean's surface for months at a time. Beyond technological bragging rights, the new class serves a strategic mission, maintaining Russia's second strike capability. The stealth, endurance and payload of the Borei-A allow it to patrol under Arctic ice or in deep oceanic trenches where Western detection systems struggle. These regions, including the Barents Sea and Sea of Okhotsk, serve as natural bastions where Russian SSBNs can hide in relative safety, an operational doctrine inherited from the Soviet Navy. Incorporating Borei-A submarines into both the Northern and Pacific fleets also helps alleviate pressure on aging Delta IV boats, some of which are nearing the end of their service lives. The new vessel's high automation level reduces crew requirements to roughly 107 personnel, streamlining logistics and extending patrol duration, up to 3 months, without resupply. This naval modernization is not occurring in a vacuum. Russia increasingly views NATO maritime activity near its borders as a direct challenge. Western surveillance assets, including P-8 Poseidon patrol planes and undersea drone networks, have increased their presence in the Arctic and the North Atlantic. In response, Moscow sees the Borei-A fleet not just as a defensive tool but as a potent symbol of its resilience and reach. In fact, the Kremlin regards these submarines as geopolitical levers. The melting Arctic ice is opening up new sea lanes and exposing vast natural resource fields. Operating stealth-capable nuclear submarines in the region ensures Russia retains dominance in this emerging theater of competition. Similarly, basing Borei-A subs in the Pacific region, especially at Kamchatka's Rybaki facility, extends Moscow's influence into Asia, putting pressure on U.S. assets operating in the Indo-Pacific. Ultimately, the Borei-A program is about more than modernizing old platforms. It's about redefining Russia's position in a world where power increasingly depends on underwater dominance. These submarines are not only built to survive in hostile waters, they are crafted to send a message that Russia is prepared to defend its strategic interests at any depth, at any time. As Cold War-era dynamics re-emerge in a more complex multipolar world, Putin's push to enhance submarine capability marks a deliberate move to ensure Russia isn't sidelined in future maritime contests. The Borei-A class stands not merely as a tool of deterrence, but as a floating declaration of Moscow's global intent.